circle.
Meet 5-year-old Emery, who's already been through a lot at such a young age.
When she was 4 years old last July of 2019, she was diagnosed with leukemia.
Her mom, Alicia, says Emery is still receiving treatment at Children's Hospital. And during those visits, one of her friends makes things a little better.
Knowing that Sansa was going to be here and that we were going to have our little Zoom session afterwards, it really helped get her through the tough stuff.
The other part of this duo is Sansa, a 3-year-old golden doodle and facility dog at Children's. COVID prevented Sansa from meeting with patients, but like many of us during the pandemic, she's now familiar with Zoom.
When she was diagnosed, we had just previously got a new puppy a couple months prior, and she really wanted the puppy here at the hospital when we were staying and during treatment, so it was nice to have Sansa here for us.
And even though these two can't meet in person,
I really miss you.
their bond is as strong as ever.
When I was going to throw the ball, I would say, okay, throw it with me. So she kind of felt like she was still a part of the process. And I would ask her, where does Sansa need a scratch? That sort of thing. So I kind of give them the control over that, and I'm kind of playing for them.
Are you ready for a visit with Sansa?
Debbie Snyder is Sansa's handler. She also uses the time to ask questions to see how kids are coping with everything, making this child life program so important.
Dogs just seem to bring a calming environment. Facility animals bring calming to the environment. So we really, with the research, felt like this is something that we wanted to do for our patients here to try to make the environment less scary.
Terry Patterson is also with Children's. He says the program provides normalcy for kids at a time when their life is anything but.
The world is changing, but we still need to provide some consistency for the children. And so what Child Life does is try to provide that familiarity.
That familiarity is why Alicia is grateful. These two are connected once again.
Watching your child go through the treatment is pretty stressful. So anytime we can get a little bit of a smile on her face or get her to calm down with the dogs, I think it definitely helps eliminate a little bit of the stress.